What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We're back for another video. Still out in Orange, or outlets in Orange. They got a lot of sneaker shops here, so yeah, let's see how many I can hit up. Dude got Adidas. They got that huge additional 50% off sign. I bought a couple pair of Adidas within the last couple days, so all right, let's see if they got any stuff. Man. Pretty big outlet here. Y'all watch any of my videos or watch all the videos, y'all know I did cop the Kobe ones. I think they call them the crazy ones now. I bought those, and then I also bought the Towleys. So yeah, I've been buying some Adidas stuff. Let's look around. Dude got the Dame 8. Isn't this the latest model? I swear this is the latest model. $130. I believe you get another 30% off. Maybe not. Maybe that's the thing, because I don't see any 30% off or 50% off tags or anything like that. But do got the Dame 7s, limited in sizing, but they do got pretty interesting design. I did like the Dame 7s and the 6s. Oh, okay. Do got the Don issue 3s. These are 50% off, so it says it right there. So these are down to $55. That's hella cheap. Only got up to size 10 though. Then the D Rose Son of Chi. What the hell? I didn't know he had multiple lines. I just thought he had the D Rose. That was it. What the hell? Okay. Kind of a budgety looking design. Makes sense. It's only $100. And then got a second colorway of that. And the sign's apparently coming out. Let me help these fools out real quick. And oh, there you go. Then the Girls Are Awesome Superstars. Man, I love the Superstars. I love the way they look. But like, if this part gets dirty right here, it's over. Right? I don't know. Is there a way to paint them or color them? I don't know. But yeah, size 11s and 12s only. $70. 50 off. Damn. Ton of. We are seeing some of these Forum lows now, which are freaking fire, because I do love the silhouette. I just don't like these like plain looking ones, just because the leather's so mediocre. Like pretty much similar to the Dunks. You know, they're trying to pretty much do the exact same thing that Nike's done with the Dunks. Bring out some of this older stuff, use mediocre leather, and then have some collabs. Use really good material in the collabs. $50, not bad. Like, I'm just not a fan of the material, but $50, man, that's hella cheap. Then even got Superstars you never see. Oh, okay, I was like, you never see the OG Superstars on sale, but still 95 down to 70, not too bad. And this one on sale, navy and red. Okay. What the hell are these? What is this? Human made and has boost, so it's a slip-on. They still trying to get $120. At least it's on sale. This one is, man, what the hell? Who's paying that much for those? Human Ray Stan Smith's right here. Pharrell's name on the back. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. What are these? Some retro fees? Is that what these are called? Okay. Or is this? Oh, this is the Nizza Pride. Sorry, I'm going by the box down there. The Nizza Pride. That makes sense. All right, they're here. They're 50% off, $70. 50% off. The clearance section right here got Ultra Boost 5.0s. Go for $180, you get 50 off. These are 12. Game mode cleats right here. Go for 100. I was like yawning on that last one. What the hell, man? What's going on here? $120 for some Dame 8. So maybe those Dames are on sale. I can't believe these are already on sale, man. Both size. Oh, this is size 10 too. Okay. Damn, dude. Going for freaking $60. Dame 8, $60 already. Wow. Oh my god. I paid regular retail for this, and now size 9 right here. Size 9. Oh my goodness. The olives. That's crazy. Crazy. Man, size 9. Do I know anybody that wears a size 9? As soon as I put it back, someone's like, oh, hell yeah, that's dope. I think they were waiting for me to put it back. They were pounced on it quick. Don't see too much other crazy stuff. That was crazy seeing that at the outlet, though. And usually I spend a ton of time on Ultra Boost. 130 right here, 120. Sizing totally varies. These go for 80, 50% off, 190. So yeah, pricing definitely varies. Sizing also varies. $100 for those. 170. Oh, 50% off for that. All right, let's go check out the next shop. Let's go. All right, shout out to the homie G. Pulled me over and yeah, told me to try some of this stuff. Shoe Magic, one of the first sneaker cleaner in the market. So I'm gonna definitely try some of this stuff and we'll see how it works. But yeah, appreciate G. Appreciate you. Dude, got a Finish Line here. They also got a Shoe Palace. So let's see what they got. Starting off with Dunks, some J's. Okay. These stores are interesting because they don't really get like Jordan releases and stuff because they are kind of outlets, but not really because the prices are just regular prices. But they do got sales. Man, I don't think outside the Reebok outlet, I don't think I've seen these on sale. So that is fire. These are dope. I freaking love these Omnis. Man, I can't wait till I find some of these at the Reebok outlets. I think we're headed there. I don't know. We'll see because I love those. We've seen LeBron's on sale everywhere. Dang, I don't even see much else on sale or anything new. Right after I said that, I was like, wait, I've never seen this. Like patent leather? Air Max 97 with patent leather. I don't think I've ever seen that. That's definitely interesting. $175 for these. Okay. Really can't go wrong with the Raiders colorway right here. You got the silver, got the white and the black. And does have that 3M on it as well as most of the other 97s. Okay. And then is this one of the JD exclusives? Oh, maybe this might be a JD exclusive. Okay. 175 for those as well. Right after I said nothing on sale, they got Jordan shorts. Normally 55 down to 20. So I guess they do have some pieces. Nike, what's this? Nike sweats down to what? 45, normally 70. That's an XL. 32 for these shorts. Okay, so they do have a bunch of summer things on sale. Need some super cheap shorts. Suntelli, I have no clue who that is, but $15. $15 for some shorts. Your kid needs some shorts. $15, man. Adidas track jackets going for $45, normally $75. So got a few pieces, mediums, extra XLs. So they got a few sizes as well. Okay. All right, let's go check out Shoe Palace across the way right there. And they have a sale rack right here. Look at this. So I guess Shoe Palace has been rolling out the sales tags. $70. Air Max 97 is hella cheap. $90 for these right here. Just as cheap as the Adidas outlet pretty much. Then they do have Jordans. They got the Del Sols. The hell? These came out like so long ago. This is from 2021. Guess they got a restock. Some lows. Got some 5s. Court purple. What the? Yeah, I guess they do get restocks. Some of the older stuff. That's crazy. And then some lows. Then we got some mids. These 125. The pricing, like they don't really give discounts on stuff. So 210 for those. Even though it's kind of an outlet location. But the only true outlet that Shoe Palace has out in San Bernardino. People have been asking me about the LeBron 20s. I haven't seen those anywhere. I did see them just at that Nike outlet, like right across the way. They got these on sale. We've seen these on sale at a few spots. Presto's going for really, really good price. Kyrie 8's not on sale yet. They do got the LeBron 3. I think these are the LeBron 3 barbershop. These are freaking fire. I did have a chance to get these at the clearance store. I did not get them. They were going for what, $100 something? Like, these are fire, dude. 3s are tanks, man. They just will last forever. I do have one pair of 3s at home. The Super Brown colorway. Yeah, the Kyrie's not on sale yet. 4 colorways of the Griffies. Oh, actually 5. They got the wheat ones right there as well. Dolphins colorway. looks like Dolphins colorway of the Ultra Boost 5 DNAs right here. Go for $100. Pretty clean, pretty clean. And we've seen these on sale like everywhere, $110. Lego colorway, and then this funky one right here, $90. Forums going for $50. That's freaking dope. That is dope. But yeah, these are huge though, man. It was size 13. And then the Shoe Palace ones. Grab these Shoe Palace ones if you guys want forums, man. If you don't mind the off-color midsole right there, the material on these so much better. $100. Stan Smith's going for $40. I feel like the Stan Smith should always be $40. But also got these as well. Look at this, the Trae Youngs going for $60. I think the MSRP is like $110 on these. Man, 50% off pretty much. That is Trae Young's first shoe. So not bad, not bad. Yeah, they got some D Rose. I haven't seen those D Rose in a while. Wow, okay. D Rose 11s. Started off at 140 down to 120. This is a size 13. Does have light strike on the bottom, you can tell. Okay. And the women's section, $70 for Ultra Boost, really? $70 for women's Ultra Boost. That's just hella cheap. Got these for 100 NMDs. Kind of remind me of the Kenny ones right there. Another pair of NMDs right there. All right, I think I'm gonna go home. Guess try the sneaker cleaner right here. The one that G hooked me up with. Guess I'll try it and let y'all know how it works. Okay. All right, guys. Finding those Towlees, man, that was crazy. The Campus 80 Towlees, that is the South Park collab, man, that was crazy. And they was going for 50% off, so I think it was a 110 and then so $55. Kind of freaking nuts. Kind of nuts. Starting to see a lot more returns, you guys. Lot more returns. I did forget to show that it also came with this keychain as well. Little Towlee keychain. But yeah, I need to throw this back in the box. But yeah, we're starting to see a lot more returns, you guys. Pretty fire. You know, I did post it on Instagram. I forgot to post those pumps. Those pumps were ridiculous as well. $120 instead of $150. So all around, we're starting to see more and more sales, you guys. That's the first time I've ever seen pumps on sale at one of the retail shops. So that was pretty dope. Yeah, man. Not bad. Overall, the malls tend to be less packed. People are just buying less and less stuff. It's definitely going back to the way it was before the pandemic, when it was kind of a niche thing. It was like a niche thing. It wasn't like everybody and their mom collecting sneakers and buying all kinds of sneakers and stuff like that, because, you know, everybody had money, pandemic money. You know what I'm saying? Like, people were using money that they didn't really have, or that they normally wouldn't have. So, you know, they were spending it on sneakers, while us collectors and stuff, you know, we've been wasting money on sneakers for years. But yeah, so you know, the economy, I think it's gonna get worse. The fact that the recession's continuing and stuff like that, so I think the economy is gonna get worse. Do not spend a bunch on your credit cards, you guys. Please don't put a bunch of credit card, don't put a bunch of sneakers on your credit card, something like that, because it's just not good. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I got plenty more coming, you guys. I hit up quite a few spots, so do got plenty of videos coming. We'll have other videos coming as well. So yeah, video daily, guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Make sure you guys subscribe, do all that stuff too. Subscribe, like the video, whatever.